Many people are worried about investing in cryptocurrency today. But what if we told you that everything will be fine by 2023? With analyst predictions for these cryptos, there is still hope. In this video, you'll discover why crypto analysts believe the altcoins you are about to see will skyrocket in value. And at the end, you'll tell us which of these altcoins you'd like to invest in. But before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel and then sit back and relax. The world is undergoing a paradigm shift as cryptocurrencies enter a watershed phase that will define their future. The same is true of Litecoin, which has been tumultuous as world politics are transforming markets. Litecoin has promising uptrend by 2023. The Litecoin blockchain came to the market as a facilitator of payments over the internet. Others, like Bitcoin, serve the same purpose, but this one had some added advantages. It reduced the confirmation time, increased the speed of the transaction, and brought other additional features to facilitate the handling of transactions. Litecoin's recovery appears short-lived when viewed from a broader perspective, where the overall trend for the cryptocurrency remains aggressively bearish. What happens in the next trading session depends on the general trend of the cryptocurrency industry. LTC is positively correlated with other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, which is currently pushing down one of the largest altcoins on the market. A safe forecast would be, if the cryptocurrency industry continues to be aggressively bearish, there is a very high probability that prices will also trade below the $40 support level. However, our analysis will be invalidated if prices break above the $55 price level, which is the highest price of the last 3 trading sessions. At that point, the uptrend will have been established. Today's price for Litecoin is $77.82 with a 24-hour trading volume of $686,570,900. Litecoin is up 2.33% in the last 24 hours. CoinMarketCap's current ranking is number 13 with a live market capitalizations of $5,589,524,706. It has a maximum quantity of 84 million LTC coins and a circulating supply of 71,822,819 LTC coins. The highest price for Litecoin 2023 predicted by Cryptopolitan is $137.36, which would represent a considerable increase over the current price. A minimum price level of $114.88 and an average market price of $118.93 are other expectations we have. Its recent advancements and regular updates may have an impact on the cryptocurrency's price levels. SafePal price shakes market. SafePal, or SFP price, experienced a 180% recovery in November, while total market capitalization fell 25%. The third trading week of November saw a strong rally setting a new monthly high of $0.81. Now, as the market has witnessed another sell-off, the price of the decentralized exchange and wallet token sits at 0.48%, 70% above the point of origin of its staggering rally. At the time of this video, the SafePal price is testing the 21-day SMA for support. If the bulls find a stable leg, a challenge of the new highs could ensue. Upside targets would be the $0.81 highs and potentially liquidity levels near $0.84 to induce a market capitulation from the newly established bears. The invalidations of the upside potential remains near the point of origin of the 180% rally at $0.28. Lido DAO price has potential. Lido DAO price is another altcoin that has shown strength despite the Bitcoin crash. Since June, LDO is up 560%. The outperformance of the multi-network parking coin has speculators wondering if the LDO price has the potentials for further gains. The Lido DAO price is currently trading at $1.1. The price is currently sitting just over the 61.8% Fibonacci level, according to the Fibonacci retracement tool used to analyze the entire remarkable rally, comparing the present downturn to the surge of purchasing pressure that started the remarkable summer rise. The volume profile indicators reveals fewer trades. The relative strength index has risen back to support after briefly marking oversold levels when Lido DAO bounced off the 61.8% Fibonacci at 0.93% earlier in the month. Combining these narratives, the Lido DAO price has the potential to challenge bears who may have recently established positions near the $2 to $3 levels. LDO uptrend potential hinges on the 5 times rally origin point at $0.49 remaining untested. Uniswap price should be watched out for. Uniswap price is worth keeping on your watch list, especially if a holiday rally blesses the cryptocurrency market. Between June 14 and August 12, Uni established a twofold bull run. After the impressive move higher, the Ethereum-based exchange token has since fallen by 50% and has remained in a range between $5 and $8. The Uniswap price is currently trading at $5.84. Glassnode's withdrawal indicator showed the largest Uni withdrawal increase of all exchanges on November 13. Based on historical evidence, large rallies in withdrawals from all exchanges have resulted in strong counter-trend bounces for the Uni price in the past. The last time the indicator captured comparable metrics was in September 2021, when Uni was trading at $20, days before recovering 20% to $25. Glassnode, the listed like Lido DAO, Uni also sits above 61.8% Fibonacci, considering the golden back where opportunities are plentiful and promising. A challenge to the highs of the 2x rallies at 9.72% would be an 88% increase from the current market value. The invalidations of the upside potentials would be the June 18 low at $3.33. Next in this video, crypto analysts dive into the price actions of PancakeSwap, another decentralized exchange token that analysts are keeping an eye on as 2022 comes to a close. PancakeSwap price growth by 2023. In the last 24 hours, the popular decentralized exchange PancakeSwap has surpassed the daily trading of several of the top 10 centralized exchanges. The popular Binance Smart Chain DEX has seen a surge in trading volume following a continued increase in gas fees on the Ethereum network. PancakeSwap attracts traders from their cheapest and fastest transactions, according to their website. The recent rally behind Binance Coin has likely brought more attention to the DEX as well. PancakeSwap currently ranks second in terms of decentralized exchanges, surpassing the popular Ethereum DEX Uniswap. BSC's native DEX recorded a whopping $3.21 billion in trading volume over the past 24 hours. The increase in volume is almost 3 times the amount currently traded on Uniswap, which totaled $1.14 billion. PancakeSwap not only outperformed Uniswap in trading volume, but also received more views on the day, outperforming Uniswap by more than 300,000 views. The DEX has also seen its trading volume exceed the trading volume of several of the top 10 centralized exchanges. PancakeSwap is now trading more volume than KuCoin and FTX combined, while seeing the same number of visitors as OKEx. Decentralized exchanges continue to grow in popularity as PancakeSwap shows. The rise in Ethereum transaction costs has halted the progress of exchanges like Uniswap and SushiSwap. Low gas rates at BSC have seen the popularity of PancakeSwap skyrocket in recent weeks. After one of the biggest trading days for the DEX, PancakeSwap also announced a massive token burn of 4.8 million cake tokens. The total amount of tokens burned equal to $119 million. PancakeSwap looks set to become a big challenge in the DEX space as Ethereum exchanges battle high transaction costs. The success of PancakeSwap could be related to the strong rise in BNB over the past week. Both BNB and PancakeSwap have risen in the past week, with BNB reaching a new all-time high of $638. PancakeSwap started in December 2022 at $3,984 and is expected to end the month at $3,681. In December, Cake's expected maximum price is $4,405 and the minimum is $2,996. PancakeSwap is expected to start in January 2023 at $3,718 and the end of month at $3,911. In January, Cake's expected maximum price is $4,417 and the minimum is $3,003. PancakeSwap is expected to start in February 2023 at $3,833 and end the month at $3,113. In February, the expected maximum price for Cake is $4,444 and the minimum is $3,022. Finally, and before we wrap it up, there is no reason why the current state of the cryptocurrency market, which has been worsened by the decoupling of Terra USD and the failure of Luna, cannot reverse the downward trend in the future. The optimistic predictions made here, coupled with the fact that there is still some time until it reaches an all-time high, imply that these altcoins have some room for development. However, there is also the possibility of a crash, or worse still, a period of stagnation later. Please note that the price of cryptocurrency is extremely volatile and can go up as well as down, but they are sure to have massive gains in 2023 as we have shown you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about Crypto Analyst predicts massive gains for these altcoins. Here's why in the comment section below. Thank you.